welcome to Baby Storytime. My name is Meredith. This is my husband, David, and our daughter, Jules. And she is our example baby for Baby Storytime, and she's going to help show how these rhymes and songs and readings work with a real live baby. It's so nice to be back. We had a break for Baby Storytime, but it's so nice to be here and to have our example baby ready to go. So we're going to help with start with a hello song today. You ready, Jules? Can you wave? Hello, it's time to play. Let's have some fun today. Let's clap our hands and wiggle our toes. A hug, big hug, and a kiss. And away we go. Yay! Yay! More. Somebody wants more songs. So we are going to do another song, Jules. You called it. So this one, I think we're going to do every week because repetition is so good for little brains, and they love it. So this one is. There's a truck. This one is Open Them, Shut Them, Jules. Are you ready? Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Give a little clap, clap, clap. Open them, shut them. Open them, shut them. Lay them in your lap, lap, lap. Creep them, creep them, creep them, creep them right up to your chin, chin, chin. Open up your little mouth, but do not let them in. Jules gave an excellent example of something I wanted to talk about. When I did Baby Storytime at the museum, babies would be everywhere. They'd be wandering around, they'd be playing with things, they'd be, poking each other, and at home, that's totally okay too. I have some books here for her to play with, and she can walk around, and the nice thing with this being virtual is you can pause and come back again later. Or you can just let them wander. You can listen. You can learn these songs and rhymes to try with little ones. It's totally fine. They're still hearing it even if they're not interacting with everything. And the more she gets used to this or your baby gets used to this, the more they're going to want to be interacting with the story time and doing it with you as well. So we're talking about farm animals today. Juju, do you have a favorite farm animal? What's a sheep say?
Baa.
Baa. So we're talking about farm animals today. You see a lot of kids' books about farm animals, a lot of shows about farm animals, a lot of toys that are farm animals, and there is a reason behind that. Children like making farm animal noises. And that's because the noises of farm animals that we say that they make are noises in our language. So something like moo, once they learn to say moo, they'll quickly understand words like more or milk or mama because it uses those same farm animal noises. So, Julesy, let's do a book. You ready? So this is a Sparkle Go Seek book, Farm, by Bethany Car.
It's going to be do a book.
We're going to read you a book, honey. Farm! No? Who goes neigh, neigh, neigh? I do. I'm a horse. Who goes buck, buck, buck? I do. I'm a chicken. Who goes moo, moo, moo? I do. I'm a cow. Who goes ba, ba, ba? I do. I'm a sheep.
Baa.
Who goes neigh, back, moo, ba? We do. We all live on the farm. On the ba. On the farm. Yay. Yes. So this book is a lot of fun because it reverses what we usually do with farm animal noises. Usually I'll say to her, what does a sheep say? and she'll say, "Baa." Or I'll say, "What does a cow say?" She'll say, "Moo." This one's fun because it goes, who goes moo? It's a cow. So it starts to teach those vocabulary words too. Yes. You ready for the next one? Oh, it's a bounce, Jujubee. Can you go find Dad? Go find Dada? No. All right. So we'll use the panda bear to show you a bounce. So the bounce is an activity where baby's on your lap and they can be facing out or facing towards you. It's more fun if they're facing towards you because you can see their little faces and they can see your face. And a bounce is going to teach us some rhythm. It's going to teach us how words go together and come apart. And this one is really fun. You want to try it? Okay, so you're going to have baby go see Dada. This is the way. Go sit. You want to sit with Mama? You get the panda bear. Okay. Microphone. Okay, ready? This is the way the ladies ride. Chat, chat, chat. This is the way the gentlemen ride. Jiggity jog, jiggity jog. This is the way the farmer rides. Hobble-dee-hoy, hobble-dee-hoy. And this is the way the hunters ride. Gallopy, 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 whee! Over the fence. She's bigger, so I can be a little more wiggly with her. If you have an itty-bitty baby, you can do these very, very gently, and they'll still enjoy that rhythm and movement that they get to do together with you. So then, I wanted to do some rhymes. The benefits of nursery rhymes are extensive, but mostly they're fun, and they're easy to remember. They're things you probably learned as a child, and you can play around with them and do all kinds of silly things with them. So we're going to do a rhyme about a sheep. A sheep. Baa. This is Baa Baa Black Sheep. A fun thing to do with this rhyme, if your little one is older and you're starting to talk about colors, you can make the sheep all kinds of different fun colors. Ready, Jules? Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. 1 for the master and 1 for the dame. 1 for the little girl who lives down the lane. Baa Baa Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 bags full. We lost our example, baby.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, she knows it's in this book. Ba ba ba. Yes, ba ba ba. So another fun one that you can do as a bounce is to market to market. If we can find this one, we'll do it as a bounce with you. Oh, where is it? To market. We know this book pretty well. It's requested on a daily basis. All right, so we have a big pig in the in the car. Okay, so to market can be a bounce just with the rhythm of the rhyme. Ready? To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. Ah! And you can do this with different farm animals too to play with those rhymes more. To market, to buy a fat sheep. Home again, jiggity jeep. To market, to buy a fat cow. Home again, jiggity jow. Fun. Was that fun? Oh, still bouncing. And another thing I like to do is set rhymes even that aren't to music. You can set them to music. Makes them more fun to listen to and easier to remember. So to this one, Carr, are you going to dance for us? Dance? I do this one to Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. That one works for a lot of different rhymes. To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity jog. To market, to buy a fat sheep. Home again, jiggity jeep. It's easier to say and easier to remember. All right, Jules, are you ready to show a scarf song? You want a scarf? Scarf songs are great. Babies love playing with scarves. This is just a napkin from downstairs. I thought everyone would probably have a napkin. So here's your napkin. David, you get a napkin too.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. And she knows you wave your scarf. Ready? We wave our scarves together. We wave our scarves together. We wave our scarves together. Because it's lots of fun. We wave them up high. Ooh, they disappeared. We wave them down low. We wave them over you. Peekaboo. Because it's lots of fun. Dada figured it out on his own. Can you throw your scarf? We throw our scarves together. We throw our scarves together. We throw our scarves together. Because it's lots of fun. We throw them up high. Ooh. We throw them down low. We throw them over you. Peekaboo. Because it's lots of fun. Yay! She will pick up anything that's remotely scarf-like and start waving it like a scarf. Good example, baby. All right, we're going to do our goodbye rhyme. This was so fun.
Over you.
Over you. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. She's like, I can see you. Peekaboo. All right, our goodbye rhyme is all about opposites. You ready, Julesy? No. This is big, big, big. Big, big, big. And this is small, small, small. This is short, short, short. And this is tall, tall, tall. This is fast, fast, fast. And this is slow, slow, slow. This is yes, yes, yes. And this is no, no, no. No, no, no. This is hi, hi, hi. Hi, hi, hi. And this is bye, bye, bye. Thank you for joining us for our first baby story time. We got to see how it worked, how this went. Pretty good, I think.
Sure.
Pretty good. And we hope to see you again next week. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Leave it here. Please leave it here. Yeah.
It's recording. So I can't.